Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you how to put a PowerPoint into Canvas so that it will play and they won't have to click it open. So I'm going to do a new, oh, well, I guess I'll do it there. A new page so that I can put it on. I'm going to do new page. I'm going to call this one presentation. This is what I use for the learning portion. So it's where I put the information for the kids to learn from. You can do as you want, of course, but so here's the deal. Oops, let me click this. When I do edit, this is typically where we type. This is not what we're going to do. We're not going to do any of these things. We're going to come up here to HTML editor in a minute. But first, I'm going to go into Google Slides. So I'm going to go into Google Slides, and if you haven't used Google Slides, it's a little funky. If you want to make your presentation in here, you can do that and press New. I just made one real quick on my desktop, so I am going to, oops, hold on, come back. I'm going to drag it, there we go, into this space because I have it saved here somewhere. There it is. So I'm going to drag it into this space for upload. And I don't do these very often, so I'm hoping I can remember exactly how to do this. Let it upload. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Uploading. And there's my super simple background or PowerPoint. So from here, I'm going to do file. There we go. Publish to the web. And when I do publish to the web, I can change how long the slides are up for. I can choose to start it as soon as the player loads. I can choose to have it loop so it restarts again. That's totally up to you. I'm going to click the, the embed, not the link, the embed. When I do the embed, that allows me to embed it in the Canvas site. So I'm not, instead of link, I'm going to do embed, and I'm going to do publish, and it's going to go, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. This area that's all copied in blue, I'm going to press Control C, and I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to click HTML editor, and I'm going to Control V and paste it in there. I do. And then I'm going to press save. And there's my presentation. It is on 5-second increments. I can pause it. I can click and fast forward through them. These are the artworks that I had picked for the art show that's not happening. The 2 art shows, actually. I can go through this as fast or as slow as I want. I can pause. I can go back. I can click here and go to a particular page. The kids can be able to do any of this as well. So that is how that works. I'm going to go back to home. It's on the presentation page. So as soon as I click on the presentation page, that's the presentation of the PowerPoint with the information. So that's it for that one. Super simple. I guess while I'm on here, I'll just show you guys publish real quick. If I wanted to publish my whole thing, I click publish. Right? It says it's published, but then I gotta go through. So if there's stuff that you don't want published yet, because maybe you're not finished with that, so maybe you're not finished with assignment 2, you can click unpublish and leave it until you're ready. But then when the kids can't get to it and you're like, oh, I miss whoever, I don't see it, go back and look and make sure you press publish. these ones should be green and this one should be green. I typically do that with at least one class every semester. So I'm like, oops, you couldn't see it because I didn't publish it. So that's it. Thanks. Bye.